Let's work on the word wish. Wish means to want something that is difficult to have. Let's get to it.
Listen and learn.
Again, wish means to want something that is difficult to have. I wish that I could breathe fire. People cannot breathe fire. We can never have that ability. Remember, wish means to want something that is difficult to have. I wish everyone were nice to each other. What a nice wish! It would be very difficult for everyone in the world to be nice to everyone else, but you and I can try. Remember, wish means to want something that is difficult to have. Tell your neighbor what you wish you could do. If you're not ready, that's okay. Just say one of our sentences.
Your turn. Wordplay.
Wish. W-I-sh. W is the letter W. I is the letter I. And sh is formed by S. H. Wish. Let's spell it again. W is the letter W. I is the letter I. And sh is formed by S. H. Wish. Now it's your turn. Spell wish on your own. Go! Did you spell wish? W-I-S-H? If you did, great work. If you didn't, don't worry, you'll do better with practice. Now it's time to read these words before I do. Fish. Dish. How well did you do? Did you read fish and dish before me? If you did, pretend you are trying to catch a big fish.
Wrap up.
Let's remember what we've learned. Wish is spelled W-I-S-H. If you know wish, you also know dish and fish. Wish means to want something that is difficult to have. Let's remember how to use wish in sentences. I wish that I could breathe fire. I wish everyone were nice to each other. This brings us to the end of our lesson on the word wish. You're watching LUMI Learning. Learn words, friends!